Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Kwe oye fiakpo be no ese umi sis paki no ye boy ya ri unri yo ewe oposa o teme mu be ni ye gbase na ki mekeko o teme mo re ki ayo mo e oni gwalo ina igwale di won igwalo we do no gun yen lalo e ere ri yen ma popon ere ri yen ma lalo e ere ri ina wi gwalo. Oh, we're trying to clean it. If I hear video you only fan, Lolo, not tell anybody say they clean my social media mess. My Toto the only fan. Bola the only fan. My husband, if you want to look, can't pay $50 and look at it. You want to spoil my market. If I Bola, you see me say I spoil your hair market one day. When John Lovett they spoil your market, now me come out, come beg on. Lolo, and you boy do not move a kiria. What move a kiria? What hulo me customer? Usaga. If you don't move any no the oya come everywhere or clean any. Let them go and watch my video. What's wrong with you? You're mad. Is it your birthday? You know, say if you talk about me for TikTok, everybody go say that lie. I said be a shawo. Married one. Jimmy. Usaga. Come. Oh, bewa, oh, me kiria, oh, if I bola we bear. Oh, me a joke won't even spend. That was my right video. Message to Easy Ogbede. Ina imi anu ebo mu we kiria. We are do mogi media. Lolo, if I bola we bear. Imati oni rovie we wa mu me kiria. Usaga.
Biagia no wogo. This public ekita has been removed that it went against community guideline. Come, is there anything I said that is not true in the video? Is there anything I said that is not true? So you think when you people mess up, frustrate your life, now come they use Facebook, they report. Now so we did. Facebook say I went against community guideline. Easy or bad day. Whether now UK here you there, I've been where you there. There are video evidence proving where you may I even go show you one self. I know it's not allowed. It's not allowed on what they call it. It's not allowed on YouTube. But let me show you that I have it. And if you make PEM, it will be delivered to your mother-in-law. If your mother-in-law is on Facebook, it will be shared to your mother-in-law. It will be shared to that man you call husband. Agbelenia. Awe na ge locomotive ni amu yowa. No no dere no wa. Mo se depression your wegbia. Mo se depression your wegbia. Even no na depressed when you supposed to go for therapy, magic therapy. Udwa ban we social media. Is it my business? When you were condemning other young girls' life, was I there? Did I talk to you? Me gu wegwa. Me say tamuwe when we stop here. Me say tamuwe when we ma. Abi yoga when you ride on, don't mind the game. Ashawo on your door. Was any monata me women near Tamawe Batino? Each way not our governor here don't marry way. Why are you not ashamed of what you are doing? I thought you were chesting it that. Oh, yes, you would do it. Then they will give me webbanine. No love can know there no who uncle no belly. You might vanish a video no. I might vanish a rubbish no with social media.
Yes, so my people now welcome back to ETA Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. How na day? I hope say everything dey okay, everybody dey okay now. So make we give the thanks and praise to the Lord Almighty. Yes, now be waiting today. So today's presentation now with the official two people. In fact, you get me so, and these two people one time they first be like they really power well because they get one time we be say one person they support the other one and things like that. Everybody know it time we be say easy. It can't be come out. The time we be say she can spread her wings and can spread her nyash they do many things. I don't even know why I even talk that kind of thing. But however, it don't really come out. You get me? So because we not like to the go explicit here. But however, what did the number say this time around? Since we say she married, she with Lolo don't get clash and they don't fight against one another on social media. Everybody know how the matter the bina. But today now, yesterday, Ezekiel Ogbede come out now. He say make I don't know whether I was whether I'll continue to put that something in the middle. But make I say Ezekiel Ogbede. So she come out now. She can't tell Lolo, so make Lolo leave her alone. Because he get with the video where we say Lolo just analyze them and do everything. Lolo can't put that something on Facebook. And by so doing now, is Ogbede get how she see that video. She don't like and so whether or not she do and whether not she do, we don't know. So somebody can report that video of Lolo where we say Lolo, the video we say Lolo just do against Oibate Ogbede. So and then before Lolo know now, they don't remove that video. Come up from Facebook, which means say Facebook don't tag that video as maybe in a bully or in any which way they against YouTube, they against Facebook community guidelines, you know. So and then today na Lolo can't come out, na Lolo can't talk to his, but they can't disguise and can't threaten her. Not be say really threatening, really tell and say if next time if that kind of thing happens, so na sewing go do and everything like that. Everyone go hear everything inside, and then is he still come out now? Is he still disguise Lolo herself say you know something? Just still disguise. She just see this Lolo basically about how the things they do. Say the person she marry say not be a do person say na understand. So he would say Oviedo and then say now Yoruba person say she no go even and make her way say she no marry a do person. She's so however I do people good but she don't see the better one inside. Probably I don't hear the small except side for front right. Yeah, say she don't see the better I do person inside. Say and at the same time she don't like her do person. Do Oviedo we enti lale enti pokman enti one which is really good. But anyway, I don't want just my own take, my own opinion. But Zigbedi talk that kind of say if you do so I really did pride of that's something I say. Or now we do man understand me. I mean, so and the waiting did the say I just share my own opinion. Then I know as we be, and I will talk exactly as it be. The way it be from my heart. Sometimes we just talk about it. But in any which way, make we just join both of them. And make we join Izzy Ogbede and Lolo as the one beginning to the discover each other. And this matter now, so this matter now, we feel do interactive, you get me? So like maybe sometimes what I mean by that one say Lolo fit talk now, then easy talk, then Lolo fit still talk again, easy talk, Lolo fit talk. We feel do like that, or we feel just still like say we do like say one person will talk finish before the other person will talk. So then be waiting there. But how it take come out, I know so I'm gonna understand, I be waiting there, my people. So right now, I know as the station will be so now for the year and now this na ETA do have me about with YouTube channel. In case maybe if anybody just wonder say ETA, where that name come from, what be the acronyms or what are something waiting because if you pronounce that 3 letters together, if you make one say one pronouncer, it will be a type. People feel they wonder say where that something come from. Okay, make a just tell you and I know just to add enough for Edo, enough for Tafia, enough for me, but and I'm go say I do Tafia me, but wow, where will for find you or find una? We just there on all social media platforms. We do on Facebook page, we do on Facebook profile, we do on Instagram, we do on Twitter. Of course, we're on for the here so now YouTube. We dey here all the time. I know where to what to do now, and then. In any which way, I not say if anybody want to catch us on phone or whatever. Well, despite say our telephone number today, but say sometimes to just avoid cause name better pass. In any which way, make we just go straight to the video right now as we want just begin to hear from these two people. As we want start to hear from Lolo and Izzy Ogbede. As we want start to talk to each other. I really did this go each other. 9 people today. So my people as they join them, may Baba God continue to bless you within a family. When I hear me now, do well. Bye bye.
Kwe oye fiakpo beno ese umi sis paki no ye boy ya ri un ye yo ewe oposa o teme mu be ye gbase na kimekeko o teme mo re kiayo mo e oni gwalo ina igwale ti won igwalo vie dono gun yen lalo e ere ri yen ma popon ere ri yen ma lalo e ere ri ina wi gwalo. Oh, we're trying to clean it. If I hear video you only fan, Lolo, not tell anybody say they clean my social media mess. My Toto the only fan. Bola the only fan. My husband, if you want to look, can't pay $50 and look at it. You want to spoil my market. If I bought you see me say I spoil your hair market one day. When John Lovett they spoil your market, now me come out, come beg on. Lolo, and you boy do not move a kiria. What move a kiria? What hulo me customer? Usaga. If you don't move any no the oya come everywhere or clean any. Let them go and watch my video. What's wrong with you? You're mad. Is it your birthday? You know, say if you talk about me for TikTok, everybody go say, that lie. I said, be a shawo. Married one. Chime. Zaga. Come. Ogbewa. Omu mekiria. Iva bola wegbea. Obi a chok woni ve Spain. That was my right video. Message to Easy Ogbede. Ina imi anu ebo mu wekiria. We are do mogi media. Alolo. Iva bola wegbea. Imati oni rovie we wa mu mekiria. Usaga.
No wogo. This public ekita has been removed that it went against community guideline. Come, is there anything I said that is not true in the video? Is there anything I said that is not true? So you think when you people mess up, frustrate your life, now come they use Facebook, they report. Now so we did. Facebook say I went against community guideline. Easy or bad day. Whether now UK here you there, I've been where you there. There are video evidence proving where you may I even go show you one self. I know it's not allowed. It's not allowed on what they call it. It's not allowed on YouTube. But let me show you that I have it. And if you make PEM, it will be delivered to your mother-in-law. If your mother-in-law is on Facebook, it will be shared to your mother-in-law. It will be shared to that man you call husband. Agbelenia. Awe na ge locomotive ni amu yowa. No no dere no wo. Mo se depression your wegbia. Mo se depression your wegbia. And no na depressed when you supposed to go for therapy, magic therapy. Udo ban we social media. Is it my business? When you were condemning other young girls' life, was I there? Did I talk to you? Megu wegwa. Me say tamuwe when we stop here. Me say tamuwe when we ma. Abi yoga when you akpe ride on, don't mind the guy. Ashawo on your door. Was any monata me away me nianta mawe batino. Ijue not our governor here don't marry we. Why are you not ashamed of what you are doing? I thought you were chesting it that. Oh yes, you would do it. Then they will give me webanine. No love can know there no who uncle no belly. You my vanish have a video no. My vanish rubbish no with social media.
I'm not cleaning anything. Ozua. You don't know where to be only fan. Husband and wife, he did there. James Brown, they only fan. AK James Brown, only fan. Umemea. Nigeria celebrity who hear only fan. Ozua, ti wa savage wunea. Iwa bola we bear. Usaga. Wa ayoyo wa. You dofigbo. Ozua. Is trying to bear a cure that for me soccer now so a video only fan. You get your own life to live. I am not living your life. You want Nina Zedo make by 18 years if you pay in Nigeria, and we better remain not develop. So for that simple reason, do we by 50 years in we keep by your worry. We are not the same. Do your thing. I not come to say, Lord, let me delete video where you post. Bring and come back. You go sell market for me. I still have the videos thing today on my OnlyFans page and more. I am not cleaning anything, not spoil my market for me. Okay? If you go look my page, my link is still there. Leave me alone. You know the user, they see people, they happy. Never. You don't like it. You hate it. You despise it. You despise seeing people happy and good things happening to people. Leave me the hell alone, Lolo. To be honest, if you bully me, I'm coming for you. I swear, not be mad. Not be mad. If you bully me, I dey come for you. I dey come for you. When we me say no wanna bully o mani ya mudia herevije. Ya shekije. All one of your audio be in school nire. Let alone me, Beninamonu. Lolo, please. Please leave me alone. I am not your problem on social media. To be honest, not be me carry your view. I not carry your customer. I not come on your tire from your car. I did nothing to you. Leave me alone. I married you, came for me. We they do the same thing. I am not a celebrity and you are ordinary person. Now the same Facebook where you for come out, I for come out. So leave me alone, do your thing. You they understand me? Go fight Nollywood, leave me. Let other common people will not be presenter. Let them talk to me. Let YouTubers and bloggers talk to me. Not you where would they do the same thing. We are like a colleague. Lolo, leave me alone. Leave me alone. To be honest. To be honest, Lolo, back off. This is not a threat. I'm not the washing yash. I just want to tell you that thing. Ikponisan, not inside the work for NHS. Like we bedi na winner. We bega o me. We bedi je know we are this thing. E na winner. E se wan to bana. Ye ko ya kian yo kian reki me komo 1 hour. E do mo vi ye bed. Ikwe ila bed. Till tomorrow morning. Till Monday morning again. Ikponisan. Se mi aye. Unwa. Weti do bobo ye when I we bed na win. We bedi me na winner. E try. Maseke nuje. Uzomo bovekun. Leave me alone. You hear Lolo. Use other people. Don't do continue. I'll day up to 301 years. Expire. Ain't ye kena we are ya come kia. Ain't ye do we me no we u se me aye. Ah be na ta se na ni mam with yoma. Ina with 30 years or the year 2 years idion. E love you ri makwa. Uzomo bovekun. U se me aye. O mami mitsa. Iya mami mitsa make up me na ye fia. E to me na ye boy. E dress me na ye tasa. E batani bana ye poi. E cheni ni ye yuru na ye posa. Iya mami meta. Iya wada for meje. Via walk here. Inene mi suviate kombasuti mari. Inemi no reni no. Iya mo e magazine ma. E magazine da fome na chose. E kwe oye fiapo. Beno ese umi esi spaki no ye boy. Yari unri yo e we oposa. O teme mu vedi ye gbasena kime keko. O teme mori e kia yo moe. Oni gwalo. Ina igwale diwa. Igwalo ye dono kunye laloe. Eri ye makpokpan. Eri ye ma laloe. Eri ina wi gwalo. Ikwale sakpa. Gwalo done gwa mami nita. Egbe no. Oh, we watch you. I'm get I wish you white. My married there. My get your ring me there. We your basson. You're so boy, honey. Or you men are your boy. Oh, we are married in a way, Raven. You are married. It's your Sunday. It is my friend. What so she? In no cake and in nothing with your banana. Very, Anna. Oh, you come with a and we go be a soton. Need to belly carry you about that way with Facebook. No, you buy to talk with your me. Send me a lolo. Anything do with a shower, money, and you may know. Wait in me, you can't tell people say I know they do a shower again. Even Paula will bear on with Kiria. Men no.
In the net, Instagram is all there. In the net, Instagram, come and do. Bring your bola, make a see. I be like, the bola they make me so. The bola they make me so. Now you don't they shame. You don't need to shame now. Why you they shame? Why you they shame? I mean, say people don't get the video for their phone. We are no go come and do €5 free of charge. So far it's sweet now. You get now do any I may like webo 1998. I like webo. You get now you here down. I can't bash over here. Ah, okay. Now so Mr. Hangman for Imojari. Choose thing. I go right now. Why ye? Oh, we are not no, we live at where ya no mago we go. Get not big boy. How many condemn why you not go no? Eh, what ye? A biana, a governor marry, and enemy marry. Yeah, we have went a cat one with bo. No juke man, on that take I am with coffee, Lily, where we married you. Who are you going to cover all your rubbish? Like, seriously? A family of a dead. We might mean if I was you, you get a reply. Il get a reply. Era mana gwa ije mosi gwa. Ije mana gwa otinye gwa. Otinye ma gwa otira gwa. So my dear, get ready for it. Get ready for it. Just know that inside that your mind, very soon take it and become a single mother by stupidity part 2. Okay, I'm here. Because okay, Facebook, elegbe we kind, no. Elegbe we. No, I have me where I wucheva. Gay, a BP when machine here control. Ni head of area boy can social media na do body me video. Una degbe you bo when you come video when you report. You will live to regret the day you near me because imaka second uje. Imaka second uje will run when I insult that from when I insult me. You will live to regret the day you near me. Ya no ya tamawe. Una degbe damoy will press a report in the video. You will wish you never met me and you will wish you never open your mouth and talk to me when I did not near you. Because I may not come and your mouth come. Equal pity yourself. In our video, a mild video. My video young why are you when the leprosy and a lie and one I balimia balula wawe. Now I report a video ni. They bet someone who do work in India 100 years in some forever. More than any lolo natani. If you do me something, I shall wait for you. The day you don't expect you will see me in action. More say, or 120 years from now, you are merely be. Ya show whereby life and directive lay away. See me see you way. So why rabbi you a beer way and I ways your wedding. Who and why? Who take a time away? What dead bury you boy in why balu miame la wa una ya joke de kameni 1 million away. When you look what boss social media, ure la wa because Emma na men where do have social media. Emma boy away social media there. You get me lue boye ke social media. But we mwe bo a deve na mi we isigbi agia wo yan lo eji. Le tu re la wa. Ure la wa. Ediono. Come na mwe bodo lórí social media na ore la wa shema disgrace o yan ko la wa and o ye la ni no wa ni shema disgrace on de gbe ask o ya chese here. O chese here. O wo le bie ya da. Oh, wolo ni san o mu ya da o ya iwuzubu iru wa yan mi regbe wa ni we wa no ye mind of every god mind of ya we social media wa gegbe oko wa lupe boyo e shame disgrace o hen portion wa e family ya wa fe komo we kasaka koson en ru wa e ya mi ko ni we shame disgrace no wa ye gbe o bo be va ya balola wa ye social media na bi wa ye boya we na le si bia wa mi na. Let me say I know okay why I hear but as long as I am on this social media, come on no ye boya winabo. Come on no ye boya winabo. Ya vion a shame and disgrace on mani can lawa. A shame and disgrace no say gbera se gbije se gbomo bonoro wa se gbe pet in orowa a shame and disgrace okay and lie all la in generational thing efo however ya there with but no when you wish social media, if you want to social media again, if I know, Oko, if you pay me nana, so no, we where say you live in there social media. You can't get no one. Come on, no, we are look bobo, you miss social media now. Continue. Oh, Bonnie, why I'm with Miami? Who yam with Miami, Mulawa. O boni no ya report ni mi ami o yan lawo ere ya bata ba se we na re mai pa kon o fu ere o yan jenu e mi ami o kan lawo boni re o boni no ya report video ni o he mi ami wa ya bale mi ami o ya balo lawo ya bata ba se wa mi because ma turu no se kenuje e me nu we ya go ego ma puta ni won oju o ga le depress e ma ni ma o ma mi o depress o frustrate. You were going for therapy, but when you get to social media, you abandon your therapy, thinking social media can help you. Social media cannot help you. If you don't have happiness inside, you can never have happiness again. And whatever you saw on social media shall come to haunt you, either you know it now or not. It will haunt you for the rest of your life. Whatever you saw on social media, if you cannot take it, don't distribute it. If you cannot give it, don't take it. If you can't take it, don't give it. And you know, call social media now. Oh, hunt you where? Why you but when you know report the video? Why you balemia me la what by chairman disgrace no come on social media now? No you but where you cover? Chairman disgrace in your can allow it. Keke no say I get west son so no me na get kawo no ga over social media now. You can genuine. War where? More where? Nonsense, dirty pig. Why get no nonsense. So what a public dog we working in the UK. Everybody come and do. Then they're not making me man. And bolekiana, carry all this one, carry all that one. Oh, you lad, my tata, I cannot do my tata, I can't do that my tata. Easy, that's easy. Easy no munyang. Yeah, Ruby boy, begini. I wanted to reach out to you to tell you, oh, this is what happened. Oh, we no need. What is my own in it? I back off you. What's my own with you? When is you munyu? And is it boo and yen na? We are day your pere. Why come? And is it up when you practically broke your neck on the social media? And is it no munyang? Or boom when ye na ona packy way ye got her no bujena. Una, and is it boom when ye una ya day marriage? Una ya wekia emizigi bunwenya na ya wekia na ya mweko na fi kondofwa do ya gbe stress na ya mweko there na who claim you marry. The video is still new. It's still new. I could share again law. You may have wish having law. Well, congratulations in law. Wage okonu wa muyo wa na mu wa wese no na de you do re there very you. Nana we be here without a rubber. I can't tell me my in the right way. No ga here. Cause okono re egba. Can't wake carry do ya fefe without a marry rubber yo. Okbanuga abolo vedere mama ne name is son ogba mago ege de rubber yourself. Mago ege. I don't know. De rubber. I don't know. Dere no mi onamu nana nekono ede tugele roba. Dere no mi emu no hin odona. Dere no mi emu okome wage dustbin wage dirty. A dustbin working na e can be aya na dumpe amekiani ya manit. A dustbin working na don't pay you work na. I pass by. Anybody come and do free of charge as long as it suits me. Oh God. Come and do as long as it suits me. Are you okay? We had to men and many lolo now. Oh, she said she don't use any protection. She don't use protection. Can you imagine? Very dirty pig. Of course she don't now. She don't. If not, you will not meet a man today and impregnate you the next day. You not meet a man today, don't give belly the next day. Oh, bitch. That one, then some people go look, say, wait. Anyway, the people, they look and clap for them, so they support them. They are going to have a fear to one. Not quite a webo, Dakido, never. The other one, I'm going to never plantain. Who else again? Awanyanu is squad. Awanyanu is squad. The boy that way, get that way. I took our form of Dunga big gay. Way is it nothing? Now we are doing Yakara. Like, are you for it? That part to shut up a dirty matter enters. It is because they're pouring for your hand. That one means say waiting. They'll throw you for dustbin. Not be Yoruba. Where if you even born with no place Yoruba and Igbo people. Nobody where they no feel born for paper matter. Nobody. Yoruba and Igbo. Nobody where they no feel born with because of paper. You know, greet me well. You wear at your bonnet. You understand? But I just can't do that because we all can. We all can probably Jema and okay, you know, and could it be a bill wallow? that made this all happen so fast. Because we all know how many months. It all happened inside this year. Which of the months are we care internet? If we go check and we'll see the month we do care internet. So which day, the day they engage her. Immediately they engage her, and so they run, enter, go register, see they want marry. You see, or give me a corner during that time for a while, my mom, or you will discover our hammer. People hear this one. They hear this one. Related to take over the shame and disgrace where I say I don't go ever marry till I became 20 years. Now marriage. Marriage. We have to learn we marriage sama. No problem. Congratulations to you. Carry your thing, go now your own. No concern anybody, no concern me. You see that your shame and disgrace when you say for social media, it's time to serve it to you. Collect your thing and shut up. Why are you talking? Your course no get what you go do. But rather your course go they lead you to more shame and disgrace. When you really come say shame and disgrace we are in there. There la wa we are in there. My beg where your course no get what they do. Ebonuti emenoji, emensanoji. You no get we dey help. Ebonuti you no get we dey help. Your course no get we dey help. Who's it? Ebo gboleko una re una lawa. Na be life you wena. Then the con no gbolegi ya happy wena. Then ebonu guchi ya happy wena. The happy no region we. On we man gbele kon hoji yan we ya paki la wane bo he o e ya yiro wo pa na idore una la wa be laugh you na. So if you think you want to come out and start insulting me, it's only going to be even more bigger shame and disgrace upon your head. That's it. You don't know. E gberaga ko ya balemian we ya baloni mo. So I will not tell them, no casike, we must take with it. Not tea, right wing so, right wing so. But one particular one, got the fish, then I got the fish. I got the fish in SI, got the fish wash. In again, I'll be on now. And what way dinner? Bad day, I say day. What we have your home, or walking away by fire by Tondano. No, away free. Since Omanamaka gwalo with family ekano, so no need ya go etapwe. Eya bizugbewe. Benu talose when me mezeju we. Omanamaka gwalo with family okay. Iju awunye must be okwo na mo we ade. Erion iba wo ya. Oge mata. Iju awunye must be okwo ya mo we ade agbogbo ede wunye gwalo. Na bizugbewe.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.